My patients motivate me to do my best job on a daily basis. I want to be there for them when they're feeling sick and parents are concerned, but also when they're there coming in for a well child check.
Lauren is a great primary care provider because she always has a smile on her face and she's wonderful with my kids. They always leave happy.
We chose Lauren Meyer because she was so sweet. Her profile looks so wonderful. We did our research, we looked her up. She's not overbearing, she's very approachable for Liam. He's just taken to her since the first time she's ever seen him. She's backed us up on all of our decisions, whether it's breastfeeding past a year or needing to adjust our sleep schedule.
I began my education at Tulane University in New Orleans. I then went to UW-Madison where I completed my undergraduate degree. I then went on to Marquette University where I completed my education and got my master's degree in nursing. I chose a career in medicine because I love helping people and science has always been interesting to me. I love learning how the body works, but then also getting the human aspect, which is why I love the primary care setting. I love working at the pediatrics clinic because we have a good team. I'm able to work collaboratively with the pediatricians. I also love working with our nursing staff. They go above and beyond to try to make the patient visits as comfortable and pleasant as possible. Being a primary care provider is important because we're able to provide services for children and their families throughout their lifespan. If a child needs specific services or specialty care, we're able to see them first and then refer them on to the appropriate place. My personal philosophy in caring for patients is to care for the entire patient, including the parents. It's a team effort in pediatrics, and I love caring for children both when they're well and also not feeling well. Fort Healthcare is a wonderful place to work because it's able to provide services not only for patients who are sick, but also services throughout the community. I'm involved with the pediatric wellness team, and we work to provide programming for families and kids to get them active and moving in the community.
I'd recommend Lauren to others because she's so approachable. She loves Liam, Liam loves her, and as a family, she backs us up on all of our beliefs.
I'd recommend Lauren to others because she's very knowledgeable in her practice and she takes a lot of time with us, always answers our questions, and always has a smile on her face.
Patients play an important role in providing their overall health and well-being. At home, parents lead the show. They're the ones deciding what the child eats, how much they're moving around, and they provide the basis, of education to teach a child how to grow into a healthy adult. And we're able to build off of what the parents already are teaching their children so that the child is able to have a healthy lifestyle. I love being active and being outdoors. My husband and I walk every night after work. I also love biking and doing anything that I can to be able to get outdoors and get moving. It feels wonderful to be able to see patients return for visits, especially if they were sick initially and then they come back later on feeling better, doing well. It feels wonderful to be able to form a relationship with parents and their children.
Fort Healthcare.
For health.